I never saw Tom do that. I never saw Tom do that. I wondered if Tom would do that. I wondered if Tom would do that. Maybe Tom would like to do that. Maybe Tom would like to do that. Please tell Tom he should do that. Please tell Tom he should do that. Tom admitted he didn't do that. Tom admitted he didn't do that. Tom can definitely do that. Tom can definitely do that. Tom can tell you how to do that. Tom can tell you how to do that. Tom didn't do that willingly. Tom didn't do that willingly. Tom didn't do that yesterday. Tom didn't do that yesterday. Tom didn't have time to do that. Tom didn't have time to do that. Tom didn't need to do that again. Tom didn't need to do that again. Tom didn't really do that alone. Tom didn't really do that alone. Tom didn't remember to do that. Tom didn't remember to do that. Tom didn't say he would do that. Tom didn't say he would do that. Tom does want to do that. Tom does want to do that. Tom doesn't always do that. Tom doesn't always do that. Tom doesn't think I can do that. Tom doesn't think I can do that. Tom doesn't think I'll do that. Tom doesn't think I'll do that. Tom doesn't think you'd do that. Tom doesn't think you'd do that. Tom doesn't think you'll do that. Tom doesn't think you'll do that. Tom doesn't usually do that. Tom doesn't usually do that. Tom doesn't want me to do that. Tom doesn't want me to do that. Tom has been hoping to do that. Tom has been hoping to do that. Tom has been ordered to do that. Tom has been ordered to do that. Tom has been planning to do that. Tom has been planning to do that. Tom has been trying to do that. Tom has been trying to do that. Tom has been waiting to do that. Tom has been waiting to do that. Tom has found a way to do that. Tom has found a way to do that. Tom has to do that soon. Tom has to do that soon. Tom is going to let you do that. Tom is going to let you do that. Tom is going to need to do that. Tom is going to need to do that. Tom is going to want to do that. Tom is going to want to do that. Tom isn't ever going to do that. Tom isn't ever going to do that. Tom knew that I wouldn't do that. Tom knew that I wouldn't do that. Tom knows who needs to do that. Tom knows who needs to do that. Tom looks reluctant to do that. Tom looks reluctant to do that. Tom might have to do that again. Tom might have to do that again. Tom might need to do that again. Tom might need to do that again. Tom might want to do that again. Tom might want to do that again. Tom needs your help to do that. Tom needs your help to do that. Tom never said he would do that. Tom never said he would do that. Tom ought to do that more often. Tom ought to do that more often. Tom paid Mary to do that. Tom paid Mary to do that. Tom said he knew how to do that. Tom said he knew how to do that. Tom said that he didn't do that. Tom said that he didn't do that. Tom says Mary will do that. Tom says Mary will do that. Tom should be allowed to do that. Tom should be allowed to do that. Tom should tell Mary to do that. Tom should tell Mary to do that. Tom should have agreed to do that. Tom should have agreed to do that. Tom thinks you shouldn't do that. Tom thinks you shouldn't do that.